Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MSK Trading Academy. Guys, you can see here I've made a list of all these 29 stocks. In the previous video, I've analyzed these three stocks, and in this particular video, I'll share the analysis on Cholamandal, Cadillac, and HPCL. And other three stocks, what I had shared before, there was Axis Bank, Ashok Leyland, and Bata India. The link of this video is shared in the description box. You can go and check it out. And guys, if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates so that you don't miss out any updates whenever I upload a video. Now let's move ahead and analyze Cholamandal, Cadillac, and HPCL. Okay, you can see here Cholamandal has also formed a bearish engulfing. If you don't know what exactly the bearish engulfing is, I've shared the video link in the description box itself. You can check it out. The first video what I had analyzed for Axis Bank, Ashok Leyland, and Bata India, I had explained you in that video what exactly the bearish engulfing is and how we use it. Now guys, let's go ahead and see what has happened in this stock. Okay, the first thing, let me plot RSI as well. Looks like it has formed a kind of divergence here, and I'm also using 50 moving average and 200 moving average for the analysis. Let me add one more indicator, that is RSI. The first thing what I do is whenever I get engulfing or any candlestick pattern is I mark the range high and range low. I've shown you in the video, in the previous video. The link will be shared in the description box. You can go and check it out. So I'll marking here range high and range low, which is very important. Whenever you get a candlestick pattern, reversal pattern, you can just mark the range high and range low just to understand how previously the stock has behaved whenever it has entered this particular level. So now in this case, looks like Cholamandal Finance for the first time it has reached this level, and there's no exact behavior what we can see previously, but here just few days back you can see how this level has worked out. This has acted as rejection from where there was a drop. Again, this from this level we had a rejection. This was also a bearish engulfing pattern, and the stocks had dropped down to almost this 50 moving average, which had taken a support and then moved up. Now again it has formed a bearish engulfing pattern here. So what next? Next is, once this range low breaks, there are good chances prices will start moving down. So the immediate support what I see here is going to be these levels. It's almost around 418 and 390. Now if you see here, it has also formed a divergence. Let me explain you what exactly the divergence looks. You can see here RSI has been heading downside, and here prices had been making higher highs. Now looks like there is going to be a reversal, and probably this Cholamandal can drop down to 418 levels and 390 levels. So the way it has fallen here, we had seen a quick fall. The same thing had happened here, and probably here as well we can see some quick fall on the downside. Remember, this 50 moving average can act as a support. This 50 moving average will be a key level which can act as a support on daily time frame. This is a daily time frame, and this RSI also can head downside. Now let me check out the trend line as well for this particular stock so that we'll have a more clear idea. Okay, so if I draw the trend line here, you can see what has happened. Okay, so when I draw this trend line here, you can see probably this 418.10 will be a key level, because at that particular point we have a support, and also this is a trend line support as well, and probably this 50 moving average can also touch at this level. So this 418.10 will be a key level. In case price breaks this trend line and sustains below the support level, then we can expect 390 to coming. This is a simple analysis what I have on Cholamandal Finance. Now guys, let's go to the next stock. The next stock is Cadillac, and then we are going to see HPCL. Okay, let me move to Cadillac now. You can see this is Cadillac Healthcare. Okay, now we can see this has formed a bearish engulfing here. This is a key point. That's the reason I've taken this stock. Bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing are always very powerful pattern. Now the first thing what I'm going to do is, let me check out the trend as well, because the stock has been moving upward for a long time now. Okay, let me draw a trend line here first. And you can see here the most important point is, every time it has touched 50 moving average, it has just gone a little down and then it has reversed again. So this 50 moving average here for Cadila Healthcare has been playing a very important role. Let's draw the trend line first. Okay, this is the trend line what I'm drawing here. Let me check out how it looks in line chart. I'm just using line chart whenever there's no clarity on candlestick chart. I usually go to line chart to analyze the stock. Okay, this is the point what we have a trend line. So this point will be a key support for Cadila Healthcare. The first thing, important thing is, it has been holding 50 moving average. The reason why I've taken this stock is, understand, in case price starts trading below this low, it will also be trading below 50 moving average. So there can be some quick fall on the downside. That's the reason I've picked this stock. So let me mark the range high and range low here. Once it breaks the range low, this low is 471.85 and this low is 471.85 and 50 moving average is 471.48. You can check out here this 50 moving average. The time I keep the cursor here, it will show it's somewhere around 471.48. So in case price trades below this 50 moving average, not the range low, 50 moving average, then we can expect momentum on the downside. So on the downside, this is the support what we have, and the next support is somewhere here. So there are good chances once it starts trading below this 50 moving average, we can see 463 and 452. But before it moves to 452, guys, there are good chances it can hit the trend line and move up again. So you'll have to be a little cautious when it comes to the trend line. Now in case I need to see how the previous behavior was, you can see here the reason I marked this high and low, as I've said you in the previous video, it's because I check out what has happened previously whenever prices have entered this range. I see the behavior, then I decide what direction I should take. Okay, so we have a range here as well. So let's check out what has happened here exactly, so that we'll have an idea. Okay, you can see here whenever it has broken this range low, there has been a quick fall, right? We have seen a fall here. You can see here, once it has, here you can see it has acted as support. Fall below this, there has been a good momentum on the downside. You can see here again, this was in November 2017. Whatever is happening is going to happen on the right side of the stock, in the sense future of the stock. In future, the answers are already available on the left side of the stocks. The only thing you got to understand is how to decode it. That's very important. You can see here whenever it has broken the range low, there has been a quick momentum on the downside. So the same thing we can expect here as well. In case it breaks, yes, we can see some quick momentum on the downside for Cadila. This is analysis what I have for Cadila. Now next, let's move to HPCL. You can see the next stock I have marked as HPCL. It has formed it's forming kind of head and shoulder, and also there was a bearish engulfing. Let's go and check it out. Okay, you can see here what has happened. This is a beautiful bearish engulfing again. As I said you previously, bearish engulfing is very powerful. I'll just show you some examples in HPCL how it has performed. See here, this was a bearish engulfing, and you can see here once it has broken the range low, how beautiful the fall was. This was again a bearish engulfing. Once it has broken the range low, you can see here price bounced up, but later on there was a fall. So this bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing are very powerful patterns. Now if you see properly, again we have got a bearish engulfing. Let's first mark the range high and range low here and see how the stock's behavior was whenever it has entered this particular range. Okay, now let me mark this range high and range low first. This was the range high, and this is the range low. Okay, now guys, just watch out this, you'll understand. There was a break here, but it didn't fall much, but in fact it has bounced from this level on the upside. Whenever the price has entered in this range, just check out how it has happened. See here, once it has broken, there was a quick fall. You can see the rejection from this level. There were sellers here. Somewhere nearby this level there was a fall again. You can see a stock has entered this range, fallen down. You can see here it had acted as a resistance, and again it had dropped. The same thing here. So this range is a strong resistance zone. You can check out here, once it has broken here, it has fallen down again. There was beautiful support here. Once it broke, it has fallen down again. So HPCL, I can say it is trading at a strong resistance zone, and you can see here again rejection from this level, rejection from nearby level. You can see once it has broken, there was a beautiful fall. One candle, a big candle here, and the next one you can see, yes, recently on 25th Jan there was a fall again. Once it had broken this level, you can see how it has acted as a support here. Once it broke the support, it has fallen down. So tomorrow, in case it breaks this range low, in the sense on Monday, so we can expect some good momentum on the downside. Let me tell you what my targets can be. So my minimum target will be this. $220, $217, and then the next level will be somewhere around, yes, $217, $216, or $214. This can be good targets for Monday's trade, but remember this 50 moving average will act as a support. In case stock touches and reverses this, then start trading your stop loss, or in case you have made small profit and you see a reversal from 50 moving average on daily basis, then make sure you exit it. Or else if it sustains below 50 moving average, yes, we can expect stocks price move to 217 and 214 levels. So this is a simple analysis on these stocks. In the next video again I'll explain you what my next analysis is on Dabur India, Dr. Reddy and Berger Paint. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And one thing I forgot to tell you about HPCL, that has also formed as inverted head and shoulder pattern. I'll just show you what exactly it is. Let me remove all these drawings first. I'll mark the range high, range low again. This was the range high. Okay, and this was the range low. And on the downside for Monday, these were the targets what I was expecting in case price trades below this range, somewhere around 220.70. Then next is somewhere here 216 or 217, you can take it as this low, and then this, right? Now it looks like it's forming head and shoulder pattern. I'll just draw the pattern and I'll show you. Here it is, you can just check it out. This is going to be the left shoulder, this is the head what we have, and this is, guys, the right shoulder. So in case price closes below this neckline any point of time, then we can expect prices move to this 200-day moving average at least, and these are the nearest targets once it breaks this head and shoulder pattern neckline. These will be the targets what I'll have, that is 212.30, 206. I usually maintain the supports as the targets, and below this, yes, we can expect more downside. These can be targets once it breaks this range, once it breaks the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, right? So this is the simple analysis. Now in the next video again I'll show you some more stocks, and I also shared a strategy for intraday. You can just check out, it's also, the link is also available in the description box. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.